In the heart of West Africa lies Africa's most populous country, Nigeria. With a population of over 200 million and approximately 70% of the population engaged in agricultural production, Nigeria is regarded as one of the food baskets of Africa. However, lack of road access and mobility, made worse by deteriorated infrastructure, remains a major challenge of many farming communities in Nigeria, especially those in the remote rural communities who find it very difficult to move their produce from their farms to marketing hubs. In order to tackle the many challenges posed by lack of road access in rural communities, the Rural Access and Mobility Project (RAMP) was initiated by the Nigerian government in partnership with the World Bank and the French Development Agency, with the aim of improving the transport conditions and bringing sustained access to the rural population, thereby reducing poverty in these communities. Enugu State, an agriculturally buoyant state, was selected in the second phase, which also included Adamawa, Niger, Osun, and Imo states. Having considered the population of the communities living along the roads linked to key agricultural production areas, as well as connection to educational and health facilities, a total of 39 roads spanning across 16 local government areas with a total length of 385.42 kilometers and 21 river crossings, that's bridges and major culverts, was selected for rehabilitation and construction. It is a new dawn for these communities, and they're experiencing a new lease to life. Residents and business owners along St. Mary and Wo down to Nsude are also beaming with smiles as their road that was once a nightmare to motorists and commuters is now better.
Since business naga because he ha make it every undo shafafa place naga fe bando ha na emekwa ai na atu areka moto gizize bad ko chisire.
During the rehabilitation of these roads, a few houses and agricultural produce or economic trees were affected as a result of the road expansions. However, as per donor-funded project standards, anyone affected has to be duly compensated for whatever losses incurred. Mrs. Janet Namonu, a widow from Nekembu community, is an example of such policy. Because today, Mrs. Janet Namonu now has a modern 4-bedroom bungalow to her name, thanks to the Enugu State Government and Enugu RAMP. The lives of many other women beneficiary communities across Enugu State have been positively impacted by the road projects initiated by RAMP. Transportation of their goods from one community to another is easier and travel time is reduced.
It's only God that can thank the RAMP because we are in cage in the previous years. But now we are from hell to heaven.
7 years after it was introduced in Enugu State, RAMP has not only improved the economic situation of the host communities, it has also improved the standard of living of the indigents. Farmers can easily transport their produce from one community to another and sell them in good time, thanks to the Nigerian government in partnership with the World Bank and the French Development Agency. Hope is restored and life is getting easier for the common man.